Here's a way to find the diameter of a round object, whether it be pipe, can, whatever the case may be. This way works on a few of them. It does not work with all circle sizes. However, certain diameters under, let's say, 12 inches, under a foot, works great. And all you're going to need are two of these combination squares. At least I think that's what they're called. What you want to do is take one of these parts off, take the piece in there out, and switch the piece in there around. Okay, there you go. Let's see if I can focus here. However, you can see that the piece has been flipped around, and you want to be careful with these, as there's a little spring in there, and if you're not careful, you may lose it. So just be warned. Okay, so once you've done that, you put it all together, and you'll end up with something like this. And then the numbers can now be used as your reference. I'll set it up at 10, make it easy. And there is your tube diameter for your piece.